welcome back to Tarron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit channel. So if today is the first time of seeing this channel, do well by subscribing. Here on this channel we teach you DIYs on bags, on other crafts. So subscribe to this channel, like this video and other videos by clicking the thumbs up button. If you would like to see more of this video, you can go to our channel Tarron Innovative World. Go inside, you will see all the videos we have uploaded. You watch, learn, and let us hear your comments in the comment section. Okay, so let's get into today's tutorial. So I will be teaching you how to make a beautiful purse. Alright, so this one is a new design, so let's see. So I'm going to be using this material. Okay, I'm going to be using this material, and then I will need my lining of the same size. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll stitch it round. Okay, so I trimmed off all the excess that I don't need. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to fix my zip plate. Alright, so I'm going to do it like so. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to fold it in like this and then top stitch it. Alright, so this is how I'm top stitching. So after now, alright, I'm going to fix my zip. Alright guys, so after fixing my zip knot, okay, now I'm going to get the center of this by doing it like this. Get the center of the purse and notch it. So we're now going to flip it to the other side now. So this is what I'm going to do. Okay, so look at this. Can you see where I notched? So I'll top stitch it. Okay, I placed it on it like this. Okay, so I'll top stitch it. I'll do the same. I'll repeat the same thing on the other side. I'll cut off this excess zip clothes. I don't need it. So I'm going to repeat the same thing on this side. Make sure it's on the middle. Your notched side should be on the middle. This is now the middle of our bag, right? The teeth of the zip, right? Okay, so I'll still top stitch it. Alright, so now the next thing I'm going to do is, can you see what I have now? Now I will now come to this point on all the edges. Now before I do so, I can decide I'm going to cover here, I'm going to bias here. Okay, so now I've taped this. Now I'm now going to do it like this and form a rectangle. So I'm going to form a rectangle shape like this. So I will stitch it. Okay, I'm going to stitch it to, I'm going to measure 1.5 inches. Alright, so this is 1.5. okay, so I'll also do 1.5 on all the sides. Okay, so after doing so, I can now form the rectangle, right? And then I will sew it. Do you see that? I will sew it. to repeat the same procedure on all the 4 sides. All right guys, so I'm going to cut it off like this. And then bias it. I'll bias it by cutting a long strap. Alright guys, so let's turn it to the other side and see what we have here. So you bring out all the shapes from the 4 angles. So if you want to put an handle, you can do so, or better still, so see what we have. Is this not cute? Yeah, is this not cute? So just take a look at this. So I want you to comment in the comment section. Drop your comments in the comment section. Alright, so subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. Share this video with friends. And guys, see what we have. So if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, what are you still waiting for? So many things can go into this. And in fact, you can use this as your earrings bag. You can put your cosmetics in it. You can use it as for outing. So this is just too cute. The shape is very unique. I don't think I've seen this shape anywhere before. So guys, so this is what we have. So see you in my next video. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, Tarron Innovative World, and also click on the like button, comment in the comment section, leave those beautiful comments. Let me see, do you have a video suggestion? Let me see. So how do you just take a look at the shape like Maggie? Okay, so this is Maggie shape, right? So all right guys, so see you in my next video. Bye.